Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and this is a flip through of my newest project called Nautical Impressions after the Nautical Impressions Kit by Victoria Designs. Now, if you're a member of the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, there will be a step-by-step PDF for you to follow along with the tutorials that go to this, and there's a playlist called Nautical Impressions that you can follow along and make this book for yourself too. So we're going to open the front, and I love the cover page. It's one of my favorite pictures from the kit with the jellyfish and the stingray. Lots of string. And then you open the first page. There's a belly band with the writing card. There's also a flip out, and there's a little card in here, and there's writing space here. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, there's a card here, a writing card here. There's a double card slot in the center and another card slot in the back. Then you turn the page. This is one of my favorite pages that I made. I cut this out, and then this matches the shape of it exactly, and their pockets. I didn't get a chance to make cards to put in the pockets because they're kind of a funny size, and I didn't get a chance to do it before the flip through. Once you take the cards out, or let me do it this way, these open out like so. I don't know if it all fits in the screen. And then there's the small pocket on either side for tags, and you could probably fit 2 or 3 of these in there. I just didn't want to go up past, you know, and have you see it from the front. And then you take these 2 writing cards out, and there's 2 hidden pockets, and I dare you to find the pockets. Half the time I can't find the pockets to put the cards back in. All of these are double-sided. Some of the cards I have stenciled on the back. This is the back of this one. Sorry about that. And this is the front. And I love all the nautical themed pictures. I printed these out borderless and then cut them to fit. And of course, you never take a card out in a flip through because it never goes back in the pocket. So there's magnets holding that shut. This is the double pocket. So there's 2 writing cards in here. And then you get to this page and there's a flip out. I did this stencil here, and I did this stencil here. And there's lots of writing space in this book, and you can also add some ephemera or some smaller pockets if you wanted to after the end of the tutorial. I believe the tutorial is 10 videos long, so yeah. And so there's a writing card there. Same mistake, don't pull them out. And a writing card here. This is the continuation of this page. So if you were to put them together, all these little lines would match up. And then you open this one, and there is another stencil that matches this one. And on this side, there's a writing card in a pocket and a writing on the back. And then this page here. All the pages are beautiful. I have probably 50 Victoria Design kits, so you'll be seeing quite a few. There's a flip up here. Well, first there's a card here in the tuck that blends in with the page. Then there's a flip up with a top tuck. And then when you take the cards out, then you could write here. Then there's a belly band with 3 writing cards in here. And then this says Salt of the Sea for me, and some more gorgeous images. This is part of the page from this, so it all matches. And the point is to put the cards in so they don't stick out. On this side we have a document whole flap. I forgot exactly what it's called, with this really cool image on the front. I keep wanting to call it legal, but that's not what it is either. So this flips up, this flips down, then there's a tuck and a writing card, and the writing card is a miniature of the page. Let's see if there's something there's writing on the back. Most of these I probably would have stenciled on, like this one right here. So after the tutorials are over, if you want to go back and stencil on all of them, you can. And I used images from the kit to make the closures. Policy closure. I knew I would think of it. And there is another pocket here with a card. Lots of pockets. I forgot how many I had. I didn't realize there was more than just the 3. And then you flip this up. And then up here is a tuck. Or, I'm sorry. Yes, a tuck with a card that comes out, and this flips out. And then you have this writing area here. This is one of my favorite images right there. So it goes back. Then there's a pocket here, and it matches the cut from the middle pockets. And I stenciled on the back of that writing card. That's what the stencil would look like on the other writing cards too that I didn't get to. On this side is one of the writing cards, but then inside of the writing card I made it into a pocket. There's a tag in there, I promise you there is. There it is. And it's one of my favorite images. It's upside down. I love a lot of these images, and then there's writing on the back. This is the only one that's white on the back. And then it goes back in here. I think I'll just leave it out because, you know. And then you turn the page. And this is another part of that one other page. I try to tie it all together. There's some little cards in here. Some postcards so you can write home from your voyage. There's a large bookmark here. And then you open it, and there's another large bookmark here. Then here, there's a pocket with your compass in it, so you know where you're going. The whole thing with the flipped out lid and everything. Okay, and then there's a belly band. Well, it's not a belly band, it's a double tuck, or a double pocket. One goes up, so it's a pocket, and then this one's a tuck. It goes like that. Then here's a pocket with some cards in it, and also a small notebook made out of the pages, not, what do I want to say? Not coffee dyed paper. Then here there's another card in the back. This is one of my favorite images too. I love these 3 fish. And then on the back is the same image of the 3 fish. And that's the entire book. It takes quite a few videos, I admit, to get it finished, but I worked really hard on it, and if you could feel how heavy it is, you would know. And this is one of my favorite projects that I've done. I love the kit, and I hope you love it too, and I hope to see you in the tutorial. And please leave your comments, and like and subscribe, and check out the Facebook group. Alright, I will see you in the next video, or flip through, or both, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.